Hello everyone, I am your Dr. Mangla. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I have taught you about the noun. Let us continue my class with the second parts of speech, that is pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of repeating the noun again and again, we use pronouns, means telling the noun same repeatedly or oftenly in the same sentence. To avoid often repeatedly, we use pronoun. Here, for example, I, he, she, it, we, they, you, these, that, these and those are the words that we use instead of. Let us see how it works in real sentences. This is Priya. She is my friend. Here, she is a pronoun. How means? Instead of using Priya once again in the sentences, to avoid that, we are using she as a pronoun. Second sentence. They are playing football. Here, they is a pronoun. Instead of using many girls, many boys, we are using they as a pronoun. Now, I will give you two sentences. You have to identify the pronoun by your own. Now, these are the two sentences. You have to find the pronouns in these sentences. Hope you already find out the pronouns in the sentences. Let me also find it. Here, this is my pen. That is yours. Here, this is a pronoun. Also, that is also the pronoun. We all gathered in a party. Here, we is a pronoun. Hope you understood the pronoun. That is the second part of speech today. I will discuss next part of speech in my next YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, comment and share my YouTube channel at Mangla RC90. Keep supporting me. Thank you.